Mastering Meaty English, Unpacking Fatty Cuts. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're slicing into a meaty topic in English, the phrase, fatty cuts. This term is juicy with meaning, and we're going to carve through it to ensure you can use it confidently in your culinary conversations. Fatty cuts refer to pieces of meat that have a higher amount of fat within them. This fat can be intermingled with the muscle, known as marbling, or it can be in thicker layers on the outside. These cuts are often prized for their flavor and tenderness, as the fat melts during cooking, adding moisture and richness. Let's look at some examples. Beef brisket, pork belly, and ribeye steaks are classic fatty cuts. When a chef mentions looking for a good fatty cut, they're after these kinds of meats. In everyday speech, you might hear, "I prefer fatty cuts for my barbecue. They're just so flavorful." Here's how you can use the phrase in a sentence. When shopping for steak, one might ask, which of these are the best fatty cuts for grilling? A nutritionist might advise, try to limit your intake of fatty cuts if you're watching your cholesterol. In many cultures, fatty cuts are considered delicacies. In some cuisines, they are the stars of the show, featured in dishes like Korean barbecue or American Southern barbecue. It's important to know that while the term is common in culinary contexts, it can be seen as impolite if used to describe someone's diet or body. That's a wrap on fatty cuts. We hope this has added some flavor to your English vocabulary and that you'll join us again for more tasty language lessons. Until next time, keep practicing and enjoy your culinary adventures.